yourself a one-woman man, baby. Treat him right if you want him to stay. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say. He brings shiny things to feather your nest. He's a hard-working man, that's the kind that's best. So baby, treat him right if you want him to stay. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say. That good man really loves you, he wants to settle down. You want your fun and you like to run around. Now you know he's patient and he aims to please. You don't wait so long before he's gonna leave. Tom, Dick, and Harry, they won't have a flame. The man who really loves you wants you to wear his ring. So baby, treat him right if you want him to stay. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say. Chase, it really turns you on. Once you get caught in it, long before you're gone. But this time, treat him right if you want him to stay. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say. That good man really loves you, he wants to settle down. To run around. Now you know he's patient and he aims to please. You only wait so long before he's gonna leave. You say you've got him eating right out of your hand. You believe you'll find yourself a one-woman man. Baby, treat him right if you want him to stay. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say. Because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, they say.
I came up in the days of Soap Creek Saloon, the Armadillo World Headquarters, the One Night. And we hit a good wave back then. I mean, 2-3 nights a week we'd see Stevie Ray Vaughan, Jimmy Vaughan, Doug Sahm, Commander Cody. It was amazing. And it was at the Ostex, a legendary club called the Ostex on South Congress that was owned by Steve Dean and his mother Elaine, that I started sitting in with bands and singing. I'd always wanted to write songs and was very intimidated by all the great songs that were already written. You know, all the Willie Dixon stuff and oh God, you know, Texas Johnny Brown, Two Step from the Blues. I was like, how can I write anything after these songs have been written? But I did, you know, secretly write songs, and eventually I got the courage to play them for my bandmates, and they liked them, and we started playing my original stuff at gigs, and the audience seems to like it.